Y etapa 4, sección 34. Habla de animal, lección 4 de 5.
Primeramente,
We were hoping to see a big turtle, but we didn't have any luck. We only saw some boring little fish. Hoping.
Nosotros esperábamos ver una tortuga grande, pero no tuvimos suerte. Nosotros solo vimos un pequeño pescado.
Maybe our luck has changed.
Tal vez tu suerte cambie. Ha cambiado.
The cows won the race by luck.
The cows won the race by luck.
Fast food.
Comida rápida.
The sheep eat quite a lot of fast food.
The sheep eat quite a lot of fast food. The sheep eat quite a lot of fast food. La oveja come demasiado comida rápida, una gran cantidad de comida rápida.
The dessert was awful.
El postre estuvo horrible.
Awful.
Have you woken the dog?
Tú has... Qué linda
I'm
que está.
pleased to meet you, Fred.
Encantada de conocerte, Fred.
are you happy with your new cat?
¿Estás tú feliz con tu nuevo carro? Otebro, yes, yo estoy very contenta con él.
The prize was given to the cows.
El precio fue dado a las vacas. El precio fue dado a las vacas. Decidió el premio, se dio el premio. A new red jacket was given to the dog for his birthday.
Do bears dream about drinking gallons of honey?
Son los sueños de los osos acerca de tomar galones de jalea. Los osos sueñan con beber galones de miel.
Dream. The sun woke me. The sun woke me.
Medio. Whole.
Half.
Class.
Roll.
Awful.
Gente.
People.
Hit.
I think my cat was dreaming about Beyonce.
I think my
Cat.
was
What?
dreaming
Dreaming.
about
I think my cat was dreaming about Beyonce.